I'm Erica Michelle Best, Diamond Distributor with It Works Global, and I am so excited to tell you how I earned the $10,000 good bonus within my first 3 months. But first, let me tell you about this crazy wrap thing. Our all natural body wraps are a site specific wrap to help tone, tighten, and firm any area of the body in as little as 45 minutes. Our wraps help with stretch marks, cellulite, and many of those trouble areas that we all struggle with. While the wraps are our flagship product, we offer an entire line of health and wellness supplements that benefit everyone. There's so many people that would benefit from the use of our products, whether they're a bride, fitness model, new mommy, teacher, or college student, and you could be the first that brings It Works to your area. I would personally mentor you with 3 simple steps to success. If you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach you how to follow these steps and earn the $10,000 bonus in your first 90 days. It's only $99 to get started, and you can make that money back in your first 2 weeks, 2 days, or 24 hours. You will get 4 wraps with your kit that you're going to sell for at least $25 each and make that money back pretty quickly. I'm so excited to tell you more and get you started. If you're ready, please inbox me or text me at 918-928-WRAP. That's 918-928-9727. I look forward to hearing from you. Let's get you that bonus.